Then we have a Kwik-Way Sicam tire changer. We got it hooked up to air power and also to 115 volts. So we're going to go ahead and demonstrate that it does function. The first thing we're going to show you here is that it has the air inflator. Here, and then your bleeder. Okay. Then we'll walk over here. We'll show you the tilt back on the mast. And then it'll come right back. Also going to show you your clamps going out and then coming back in. We're going to do your rotation, and then we're going to do your bead breaker. Okay, and up here we have a roller bead breaker here that goes up and down. And this red button here is to release the brake. You can put a brake on this. See right there, you can't move it. Press the button and you'll be able to swing your arm. And those are your basic functions there. It's a really good working unit here that we have. So